Alright, guys. So he went ahead and bought a welder. Harbor Freight, right?
Yeah.
For like $125. And then we've got other stuff, but that'll be for later videos. But I guess we're doing a single or centered exit exhaust. We're gonna weld it. We didn't get the pipes yet, so there's not much to show. But we're gonna have this dude coming out the back. Oh crap, I'm placing down. Sorry about the mess. But we're having this dude come out the back. We're gonna have to find a way to put hangers on this, guys. Yeah, that's pretty heavy.
We have to take it off from the old ones.
Oh yeah, huh? Oh yeah, you did say that. We don't have a truck in here. We still have the Miata and the Honda. But let's see what this welder box has, or this new toy.
It apparently has everything inside what you need.
While he opens that, we also got some food so we can shut down. Oh, things to scrape metal. There's no sandpaper or paint. We don't know how to weld, guys, so.
Don't tell them that, guys.
Oh, yeah, that's true. They don't know that. We never actually done any welding at all.
Yeah.
And he just decided, he's like, yeah, we're getting in it today.
Yeah. So, just the wires.
I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called flux.
I don't know either, dude. Yeah, it says what they're flex cords.
I'll see, I got it right. I know some things. Yeah, 2 pieces, see? Oh, no, that's 1.
Yeah, so. Yeah, some more stuff.
I don't know what the heck that is. There's an O-ring.
I think that's the tip of the gun.
That's the handle for the mask I've seen on videos.
There.
I guess I'll be wearing that mask, and he's gonna have an actual mask because they used to have a welder before they sold it. Yeah. So now they have a welding mask sitting around. But that's his new toy they're gonna play with. We're probably gonna do the center exhaust tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because we still need to go buy the
rest of the pipes.
The pipes, and then we were thinking to do a diffuser for the truck, what we sent on YouTube. But we couldn't find the ABS plastic nor large enough aluminum sheets. So we're gonna try again tomorrow during the daytime. We didn't have much time today because they closed, or about to close. And it's like no one knew how to help us. Both Home Depot and Lowe's, they were both confused. They kept on sending us to pipes whenever I asked for ABS sheets. But I guess a pipe is a sheet. So there it is. This little welder. It should plug right into a wall. Well, we'll probably play around with it more tomorrow. We're gonna eat and then think about what we're gonna be doing later. No.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, dude. Don't hurt me, please. All right, well we're gonna go ahead and do what we need to do, and then you'll see us in the next time I start recording. All right, guys. So we bought a muffler, Magnaflow muffler, some pipes, and some other things I forgot. But this is what we're gonna plan to do his center exhaust. We're gonna keep all the way down to where the muffler is at to switch it to the Magnaflow. Cut that. Figure out, and then keep the bend that this one already has, the pre-existing bend. Keep that one, cut it around here, and then get I'm gonna say either a 90 to a straight 18-inch, and then to another 90. I don't know, to be honest. We'll see how it's gonna go, and then get a 23-inch pipe from. To go from that middle centerpiece here, find a way to hang it and make it come throughout here. But that's what we got. I'm pretty sure we could figure out this part. This part's gonna probably be the difficult part to do. And as you can see, I put a mental note, find a way to hang it around here. We don't know how to do this. This is actually our first time welding and first time doing an exhaust, but we saw videos and we're determined. So hopefully we're probably gonna get started right now. It's what time is it? Like 12? Yeah, it's late. It's close to almost 1 in the morning. But we're gonna see how much we can get done. We're gonna learn how to use the welder right now. So don't make fun of us. Alright, this is attempt 2. He sanded it off. He's not gonna look at it, but he's gonna hold it straight on there. Can you do the honors?
Yeah. Alright. Let's do this.
Don't look at it.
Alright.
It's on there, on there. You can't get more on there.
No, not since all this buck well.
Oh well, we're gonna just do it like that and see if we could tag it on there. Yeah.
You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. You showed me how to dare to love, love, love.
Sorry about the angle of the camera plus the lighting. I'm recording my phone like always, but that's how far I can get it. So this is the tip of the exhaust. That's what we were seeing earlier. Tip, and we need 23 inches, but I forgot how big the tip was. As you can see, this thing is beefy boy. So I told him what we can do is have this thing hidden and the rest of it exposed. That way for emissions purposes it's still out there. So I measured 23 inches from there to there. I'm probably not the best. Alright, we're gonna get everything set up, and this is gonna be our first attempt in actually welding something to the project car. You ready? Angel, should you take the honors?
Nah, dude.
You wanna do the first tack weld?
Nah, it's alright. You got this.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. Uncle, go get some water.
No, don't leave me. Like I said, I don't know how to weld, so you better be ready. Where's the mask? We're gonna pick up his dad's mask if he lets us. But get ready for the first attempt, guys. Such beautiful welds is gonna be messed up on me.